One. Yeah.
Hi, we're going to make a video of a airplane called the 2010 Bomber by Toby Lawson. Okay, you ready, buddy?
No.
Come on,
No.
we can do it. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, you take your paper,
Paper.
regular 8.5 by 11 paper. Okay, and then I'm going to put the camera down here so we can see Mr. Man make it. He is folding the sides into each other and making sure that his folds are good. He's folding the tip down. Alright, getting them good and okay. And then fold in the corners. Let's line them up. Line them up good. Line them up good, end to end, like this. Alright. Okay. And then we're just willy-nilly in that wing. Okay. We're going to turn it over and try to line it up with that one. Alright. Alright, now let's see how it flies. We will take the camera over here and we're going to point it towards the kitchen. Give it a good fly, buddy. You ready? Get set, go. And it, no. There we go. Yay.
Look how it flew. Look like this.
Alright, that was better. Yay. And that is your 2010 Bomber. Gotta figure out how to stop it. Okay.
Stop.